Hello, everyone. Today's story is Heroes Wear Mask, Elmo's Super Adventure. Let's get started. Today, Elmo is going to school. Elmo is super excited and super nervous. To feel better, he puts his hands on his belly, then he takes a slow, deep breath in through his nose and lets it out through his mouth. Elmo feels better now. Time to get ready for school. First, Elmo washes his hands. Mommy says hand washing is super important. Wash your hands to the ABC song. Scrub a dub dub. Elmo wets his hands and uses soap to make lots of bubbles. He scrubs for 20 seconds, then rinses and dries his hands. Elmo eats a healthy breakfast. He wants to have lots of super strength to learn and play. Elmo's mommy tells him what to expect at school today. First, you may have your temperature taken, and you'll need to wear your mask. Keep a safe distance from your friends and give them big waves, but no hugs. Okay, Elmo? Yes, Mommy. And Elmo remembers he shouldn't touch his nose, eyes, and mouth after he washes his hands. Uh-oh, Elmo still feels nervous about going to school. It's been a while since he's seen his friends. Elmo takes another belly breath to keep him feeling better. Slowly in through Elmo's nose and out through Elmo's mouth. Elmo and Mommy pack Elmo's backpack with everything he needs. Elmo has a face mask to wear at school and whenever he leaves home. Mommy says that wearing a mask is important because it keeps everyone healthy. Elmo wants to be super ready for school. Mommy says that a mask should be clean and cover both your nose and your mouth. Let's try on the mask. Elmo doesn't wear his mask when he does his schoolwork at home, though. Mommy says Elmo only has to wear it when he goes out. Mommy says even Super Grover wears one because heroes wear masks to keep others safe. All of Elmo's friends will be wearing masks at school, too. Elmo wears a mask just like this. He wants to be a hero, too. What does your mask look like? It's time to leave and walk to the bus. But Elmo is getting nervous again. He knows just what to do. Elmo puts his hands on his belly, takes a slow, deep breath in through his nose, and lets it slowly out of his mouth. Now he's ready to go. Elmo asks his mommy where his friends are. Mommy says Elmo's friends will get to school differently. Some ride the bus, some walk, and some go in cars. Remember, you can give mommy a hug and a kiss, but you have to wave to your friends. Elmo practices his best wave for mommy as he says goodbye. I wonder what your wave would look like. Bye, mommy. Elmo was nervous about leaving home, but also excited to go to school. When the bus arrives at school, Elmo and his friends line up at a safe distance from each other. Elmo remembers what his mommy told him and gives his friend big waves. Elmo is excited to be with his friends, even if they have to sit far apart. School is going to be so much fun. Elmo has a very busy and very fun day at school. Elmo knows to wash Elmo's hands when he gets back inside. After school, Elmo meets Mommy at the bus stop. Let's go home and wash our hands, and you can tell me everything. Elmo had so much fun at school today, and that was the end of our story. So Elmo had fun at school, even though he has to wear his mask. All right, everyone, we'll see you next week. Bye.